lightning quick. God, oh my God. Yeah.
Start the clock.
I gotta at least be able to come back.
You have to have bead lockers to air down. If you get air down,
baby! Right, Fern. Alright. No, too much. Alright. Just a little bit, not too much. Come on.
Hey!
Yo, that was sketch as fuck. There you go. Alright. Passenger aboard. Yep.
Looks good right there.
Looks good.
Yeah.
Little bit, driver. There you go. Alright, you're in there now. Yes. There it is. Alright. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Passenger.
Yeah, little passenger. There you go.
What's it like?
Knock on some wood. Tree. Knock on the tree. Better.
You kind of missed the line.
Yeah, you're right.
Let's try it. See where you go.
Hey, you got the rear lock? Alright.
How's my lineup?
Yeah, you're fine. Come on. You gotta get into it first. Damn. Alright. Passenger. Oh, shit. Hey, easy with the hoppies. Back up a scooch.
A scoochie?
Scooch.
Got it.
Yeah.
Good. Hold it up.
Alright, give her some.
Just slowly go up.
Yep, give her some. That's right. Yeah, you're right. You got to fight past that dip again.
No. Hey, Brooke, what's our time?
We're not done yet.
Straight, yeah, go straight. Right there.
Bump.
Pick up. You got it.
Now go fast. Go this way.
Passenger.
Hey, this thing, when you get on it, it likes to suck you this way.
Oh,
Yeah, you'll...
there's rocks everywhere.
Yeah, a little bit passenger, There you go. Yeah, eat that guy. Alright, yeah, you got a good line. There. Oh, okay. Right, passenger! Yes, let it eat!
Oh shit.
Now you ain't got it.
Lucy right?
Never mind.
Oh!
Just give the rock a little kiss. It's okay.
Oh, you had it?
My bad. Did he turn on the
Slow, nice and slow, coming up.
What did he turn on? What is that thing?
You're okay still. Just a little bit of license plate. Now come up. Some passenger, a little bit passenger, passenger. You gotta go, no, that's driver, passenger. Okay. There you go, come up, passenger, more, come up. Keep on coming up, passenger. Go up, driver, Hard driver. Good job, buddy.
Which line you taking, Poppy?
No, you're not.
That's too sharp. Hey, start hitting driver.
Nice car, bro.
Driver hard.
Yeah, driver, dude.
Eat it. Oh, that's slow. Driver! You can come hard driver and then cut back in fast.
Is he running stop right now?
No. Right there, driver. Yep. Yeah. Oh. Passenger.
I know. No.
There you go. God damn, that was a battle. Well, give me a little bit, driver. All right, come on. He's gonna eat. He's gonna eat. Stay in it. Stay in it. There it is. You got it.